Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making bole. That is roasted plantain and roasted fish. Bole, that's how we call it in Port Harcourt. Stay with me as I take you through the process. First we'll be using ripe plantain. That is the main ingredient, and then we'll be blending together garlic, chili peppers, scotch bonnet, tomatoes and onions. And then for our sauce, we're going to be using palm oil, salt, chili flakes, ginger spices, paprika, curry masala, thyme, and some seasoning cubes. I'll be using Knorr. First, we blend this roughly, not too smooth. Keep that aside, and then we go ahead to clean up our mackerel fish. I'll be using this particular mackerel that has the zip-like nature, not the scumbia mackerel. We're going to cut and wash this thoroughly. When that is cleaned up, then we're going to mix up the spices we need to rub on this. So we'll be adding together salt, chili flakes, paprika, curry masala, thyme and seasoning cube, just one of it. Stir that until it comes together, and then we'll go ahead to put incision on our fish. I do this so that the spices can enter into the fish and not just the skin. So we thoroughly rub it very well into all of the fishes, and then I went ahead to rub palm oil. This is for the shiny texture when the fish is ready. We do this on all of the fishes thoroughly, and then we go ahead to rub palm oil on the plantain as well. We also want that shiny texture when this plantain is ready and roasted. After that is done, we go ahead to set our fire because I'll be doing the outside grill. I want to do it the typical bole style. Then we'll add our palm oil and onions and fry. After frying this for a bit, we go ahead to add the blended mix, and then we'll go in with our salt, thyme, ginger spice, curry masala, paprika and one seasoning cube. You go in with very little spice because the tomatoes is not that much. Let that cook for a while, and when it's ready, you keep aside. Now it's time to roast our fish and plantain. If this is your first time here and you like what you see, please subscribe to our channel. I'm still a growing YouTuber. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back, and God bless you. So we're going to keep turning so a particular part of it doesn't get too burnt than the other parts. Once they are brown on both sides, that means the bole is ready. That's the plantain is ready. And then I had to use the sauce to rub on the fish. That's what is giving it this peppery reddish look. I hope you enjoyed watching, and thank you, and see you next time.